let's go deep into the role of the product owner on the Agile team. Now, here's our product owner. Visualize her. What is her ultimate responsibility and goal related to this product? Well, it is to maximize the value of the product. That's exactly what she's trying to do every single day. All right, so this is a one-person job, not a committee. We're gonna have one product owner to manage it for the entire life cycle. We're talking from ideation to the product doesn't exist anymore. Entire life cycle. That is different than a regular project manager. This is a great, awesome role. Now, let's go a little deeper about how it's done. Now, we need vision and direction from the product owner, okay? Now, why that's super duper important is because what they do is their primary pursuit is product backlog management. Now, what does that mean with vision and direction? Now, what we talked about is the backlog, the product backlog, is all the features that could provide value to the customer, right? And so that's a laundry list of things that could. And we are going to step by step, sprint by sprint, take the most highest value features, and we're actually going to put them in there with the team into the sprint backlog, and we're going to push them through. So she or he has to have direction of what is this candidate of work that the team could do. Now, as we go through there, she's going to not just throw them on a list once and be done with it. No, there needs to be preparation. How do we build the list up? It's iterative. It evolves. Got to have our eyes out there and our ears out there listening, and we've got to refine this backlog to make sure that the things float up and we understand them at the depth that we need to. We're bringing in the team. We're doing this for the team to set them up for success, and we're doing it with the team to help us refine it. So it is not a by yourself type of job, right? Think of this. You are managing this product backlog and you're setting it up for success, all right? Because ultimate value of the product is where we're going, all right? Now, to simplify it in common language, that product backlog, we need to have that as the product owner to be the right stuff on it, right? In the right order, ranked in the right order, and ready to be worked. So, refined enough that the team could take it if they choose it and pull it into the sprint and work it in the next sprint. That's what we need to do with the vision and direction and what's going to deliver the highest value to the customer at that point, all right? Now, this is not an alone job, we said. You must be, with the product owner, you must be strong, you must be focused, and you must be engaged. I said it wasn't alone, so strong in direction and understanding, confident enough to make changes and evolve, but always focused on value, focused on the value like we said. That is laser focused on that, and then engaged with whom? Everybody out there, and we'll talk about that real quick, all right? Now, the reason why we're doing that is that the team needs to be creating the valuable features. If we don't have strong direction, we don't have focus, we're not engaged to what actually the customer needs, then we could have the team working on features that don't produce value. They could just be doing work. That's not good. If we go back to the primary pursuit of this, produce max value. So we've got to have this backlog refined in a sense and be aligned so that the team is working on the best things, all right? In simple terms. Now, we said not alone, right? Not alone. You're the head, but not alone. Who are we working with? We're interfacing with the customer in that arrangement. We're also interfacing with the stakeholders, people on the team, all the people around there, understanding, talking, spreading the information, getting insights there, working with the team, right? In lockstep with the team, we create this product backlog to serve and help the team pull in the most value-driven work right there, and the Scrum Master. Now, all these people together, what are we all focused on? Because she's providing focus and direction on producing a product with max value. So now, hopefully you see the product owner's role with a little bit more richness. It's an awesome role. Now, think through the details there and really dive in. We're going to go through the rest of the roles.